Hello everyone, I am Raju Sharma in front of you after the discuss of electromagnetic induction. Now we discuss to the right hand thumb rule. What is the Fleming right hand thumb rule? Let us consider that was the any cylindrical body to like as the metallic structure. When we take in our hand in same way, all the finger is show that the direction of the magnetic field and the thumb will show that the direction of current. जैसा कि बच्चों अगर इसको ऐसे समझा जाए कि हमारे घर में अक्सर हमने देखा कि एक जाता होता है, उसमें पत्थर के व्हील लगे हों और बीच में एक सिलेंड्रिकल वुडन स्टिक होती है, तो अगर उसको ऐसे पकड़ के घुमाया जाता है इन दैट वे, दैट वाज द मूव्ड इन सर्कुलर मोशन with help of our stick, then the circular stone is behave as the magnetic field and stick is behave as the total amount of current supply in body. To like as if we capture with help of their hand, then all the finger is show that the direction of magnetic field and our thumb is show that the direction of current. Now we discuss to the our another topic, Maxwell screw rule. What is a Maxwell screw rule? Let us consider when any screw is closed with help of a screwdriver, then the direction of the magnetic field is going downward and the direction of current go in upward. To like it, let us consider a screw. When any screw is closed with the help of a screwdriver, then its spiral structure is goes inward. Then direction of magnetic field is downward and the direction of current is up. अर्थात जब किसी स्क्रू को हम लोग पेचकस की सहायता से क्लोज करते हैं या टाइट करते हैं, तो ऐसी स्थिति में देखते हैं कि उसका स्पाइरल स्ट्रक्चर अंदर की तरफ जाता है और जो थंब का डायरेक्शन होता है वो अपवर्ड करंट को शो करता है with help of clock. If any screw is closed with help of clockwise direction, then the magnetic field is downward and the direction of current will be upward. If any screw is open with help of a screwdriver, then the direction of magnetic field is going upward and the direction of the current is downward. Anti-clockwise. When any screw is open with help of a screwdriver, then direction of the magnetic field is going upward because the spiral structure is going upward direction and the direction of current will be downward. Now we discuss to our another important topic, solenoid. What is a solenoid? It is a hollow cylindrical structure to mounted with the laminated copper wire. To like as any cylindrical body, that same as if the number of turn is mounted at the cylindrical body, then it is also behave as the solenoid. That was general structure of the solenoid. When a cylindrical body is mounted with the laminated core, it will be show that the solenoid. And it was generally represented with help of three diagram. That was a battery E, cylindrical rod, and the number of coil. But the structure will be represented two or more method. The internal diagram like as that was a solenoid. It is also followed to the flaming left hand rule. Thumb is show that the direction of force and the forefinger is show that the magnetic field in given figure